Everyone says, I'll do it tomorrow. But here's the truth. You don't postpone things because you're lazy. You postpone them because you're afraid. Afraid you'll fail. Afraid it won't be perfect. So you lie to yourself. Not today. Tomorrow will be better. But tomorrow is a myth, a beautiful excuse, a hidden cage. You don't need more motivation. You need to confront the emotion you're hiding from. Fear of judgment, fear of change, fear of discomfort. So you scroll, you binge, you sleep, and call it rest. But deep inside, your soul is starving for discipline. Not comfort, not dopamine, discipline. What if you acted like there is no tomorrow? What if this version of you, full of excuses, dies today? What if your dreams are already fading while you wait for a perfect moment? The truth? You don't run out of time. You run out of chances. So don't say, I will do it tomorrow. Say, let me destroy the weak version of me today. Because every time you delay, you're not pushing the task, you're burying your potential.